for all verified facts. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Are the people you meet on social media really who they say they are? And we don't mean it in a philosophical way. We are talking about identity theft. When people steal someone's identity, pretend to be them, and extort money or favors in that avatar. Identity theft and impersonation of social media accounts is so easy that recently hackers created a fake Facebook account of a police officer and tried to get money from his Facebook friends.
There is a very thin line between identity theft and impersonation. Identity theft is, when you use somebody's identity to cause, to make, let's say, for some financial gain. And impersonation is when you want to do it to harm somebody.
These crimes can extend beyond the motive of financial gain.
Again, with the Mumbai police, we solved a particular case in which a boy picked up the girl's pictures from Instagram and all, and then he morphed those images, and with those images, after morphing them, he put them on like pornographic website, and now the girl was like mentally and emotionally, I would say, she was like finished. What is the motive? The motive is, as I told you, it's about defamation. It's about revenge porn. It's about taking any sort of revenge.
The next logical question is, can you protect your profile from being impersonated?
Have your privacy settings in place, plus limit your data. These are like the kind of two basic things you can do. But again, this is not going to stop a fraud, an identity theft fraud. It may like, okay, fine, it will just make it a little more difficult for the other person, but you can't say that it will become like kind of impossible.
So there is no way to fully protect your profile. But can these tech giants solve this problem? A Facebook spokesperson responded to our questions, stating that they have been taking steps to improve technology, enforce their rules, and provide tools to people to report suspicious behavior. A note posted by Facebook's security team states that Facebook is using machine learning and dedicating a team of trained reviewers to identify the accounts of scammers. But cybercrime investigator Ritesh Bhatia believes that tech giants can do much more.
These tech platforms can easily detect whether a particular same profile is already there or not, and if this is the one, is this like really the same? Why would a normal person create a second profile? So maybe there can be some more security aspects to things like these. This is the least they can do, and this doesn't require a manpower. It is an automated thing. They have the best of the technology. They can definitely do this. The second thing they can do it is, like, keep reminding users about their privacy, about the privacy settings that they have. In case if they find that the profile is still public, they can keep telling them, look, it seems that you're not like this is not like a page, this is not an organization page or a personality page, you might want to make it private. Thirdly, they need to be there to provide a lot of support in case if somebody is victimized. These are the three things I would expect them to do.